Hello everyone! So many of you asked about the bird costume, and so today I'm going to prepare a beautiful bird costume with very low budget. Here are the things what we need for the bird costume. We have the chart here, and we need pencils to draw the outline, and we have scissors to cut, and we have glue stick, and then we have a thread. You can use any kind of thread at home which is available. So I have 5 charts here. The red ones I'm using, these are the strong ones and little thick ones, and these will be used for wings, and the pink, light green and yellow we will be using for feathers. So these are the normal ones which are light, but this is the strong one. First we will make the wings. So I'm going to fold this chart, and because we need 2 wings, 1 pair of wings, so we have to cut the chart into half. I'm making 2 pieces. I'm cutting it into half. Now I am going to draw the shape of the wing on one of the sheets, and then we will cut the shape of the wing. Start. Just drawing it very lightly so that I can cut it easily. I'm going to draw the shape of the feathers. So the corner, this side of the corner, the feathers goes this way, and this side they come towards down. Start. This is how it looks. So once we cut it, and you will know the better shape. Because it is dark paper, we are not able to see the outline. Let's get started with the cutting. Wow, this turned out so beautiful. Using this wing, we are going to make the shape of the other wing and then cut it out in the same exact shape. This is how it looks when we cut the feathers and their shapes. Now I am going to make layers of feathers. The pink color, and then I am going to use light green and then yellow. Let's make the shape of the feather. One longer and one little smaller one. Now we have the pink feathers ready. So using the same feathers as template, we are going to cut the light green and the yellow. The light green little small, and the yellow ones little more smaller. So friends, here you can see I made pink and light green, and I'm making yellow the last set. This green is not big than not as big as this pink one. So we keep reducing the size. While we glue the feathers, we will understand much better where to trim or make them little small and shape them according to our need. So I'm using the second chart here. We'll put the two wings here because even though these wings are like little thick, but still they need some back support. For that we will be using this red another chart. We'll put these wings. I chose the center point and I'm putting these wings here, placing these wings like this. We'll just cut a piece like this so that it comes around like 8 shape like this. We'll just make a outline. Same wings, we turn the other side. Drawing a line with my hand manually. This is the shape which we got. For extra support, I am using this cardboard piece. This is very optional. Let's glue this together. Use the glue gun according to the glue gun instructions. And also be careful, it's very hot. If there is glue gun, that's very perfect because glue gun makes the paper very stiff and hard. I'm going to place this one here. Once you buy the glue gun, it will be used for many things because you will be having kids. They will be having many project works and all the time this can be used. Gluing the other side, the other wing. It's very hot. Be careful while using the glue gun. You can see this. Now it's very stiff. I hope you can feel it. See the both sides. You can see just the red color. So these are our wings. So it's coming alive. It just needs the feathers. Before we fix the feathers, I am going to make the handles to wear on the shoulder here, and then here one more handle so that the kids can hold with their hands and flap the wings. We will first mark them and then we have to, if you have a sellotape you can use it. First we will stick the sellotape here and then we make the holes so that the holes won't become bigger and bigger and they'll not tear the wings. Here I got that. Sticking them on the marks, just the center. Okay. We have to make the holes. You don't have to bother like whether they will be seen in the front part because the feathers will be coming here, so don't be worried. Be careful while making the holes. Don't poke your fingers. We made the holes. Likewise, I'm marking for the hand handles. Let's stick the glue tape again. And then we'll make the holes. Just be careful because this is just a single chart and it is not hard as these ones. Now we need the string. The length of the string should be little more for the shoulders and little less for the hand handles. We need 2 strings for the shoulders, so let's get started. So you can see I'm placing the feathers just overlapping and leaving little gap here. Now we can see the longer feathers are this way and the shorter ones I use them here, and I still have the feathers left to the other wing. This is how it looks. So we should concentrate on the spreading of the feathers. Even though the sticking goes ups and downs, that's fine because the light green feathers will cover from here till here, so no need to worry. The feathers should be like very spreading, then it would be neat. You can see the pattern. Let's get started with the yellow ones. This is how it looks when we stick all the feathers. I think they are beautiful. Just to cover this part, I'm going to do one more feather kind of thing. I'm going to use this waist one which is left over from the cuttings. So we'll be using this one. Here I made the 2 feathers. I'm going to stick them. I have cut small feathers too, just like this. So thank you for watching. If you like the bird costume, then please like and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Bye bye.